When Hope Hicks first tested positive early on Thursday, from that point forward, it's very simple. Everybody in the White House who had any contact with her in previous days should have gone into quarantine for at least 2 weeks. Instead, they just carried on, including the president. And now they're just not bothering to track what appear to be myriad infections that they have caused by this neglect. Not that they've caused in some at a remove sense of mishandling the pandemic and undercutting public health authorities and mocking protections recommended by public health authorities to keep people from getting it, right? Not just spreading misinformation, not providing PPE, not providing clear guidance, politicizing the science around these things. I mean all of that. But I mean here, a lot of people may have literally been infected with COVID by the president personally. Like his breath, other people infected, could have been lots of them. They should tell us that so those people who are in contact with the president, however many days are relevant here, can themselves not only get tested, but themselves start doing their own contact tracing in terms of who else they might have infected. The president himself appears to be the source of a significant COVID cluster.